Oh, guys, so we're going to do a part 2 of the woodwork. Please subscribe, but I'm doing it and Vinny's recording this time. So first I'm going to try and hit the crossbar.
Crossbar! He's hit it! The champion of the world!
So
Next round, if he does it in 3 tries, he beats me. So, if he gets this... He got it again! If he gets the right post, he's beat me already. Hopefully he doesn't. No, Jack, please don't.
Oh,
You can't get that close. Cheater.
nah, the ball.
He's won. No, he hasn't. He didn't hit it. He didn't hit it.
Nah, that was
No, okay, doesn't count. Needs to hit it.
I need to hit this or wasn't lost. Well,
Top bins. He has missed. He has lost. I am the champion.
even though Vinny is lost, I'm still going to try to hit it.
I mean, you've lost. You're still gonna hit it though. Bang. Some for 1 minute. Okay, let's go. Roll. See me rolling. Is it it? It took him 6 tries. But yeah, is it it?
Oh my god at that.
Bye bye. And
Don't
don't
forget
forget to
to
subscribe.